What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys another mini bike that I just picked up. Another Baja Warrior 200, upgraded Predator 212, upgraded carburetor. It's got a custom exhaust, good tires. This one's flipped around, but that's alright. We're gonna have to bolt up the gas tank, and then it's also got a front new tires. It is missing the fenders, but who cares? The main thing is it doesn't run, and the throttle cable snapped, so I'm over with that. I did put in gas just now, and it did start. It is gonna need a carburetor clean and a little tuning because it doesn't really want to stay running, but it's not too bad of a bike. I'm gonna go ahead and take it outside and give it a good pressure wash before I change the oil, clean the filter, and get it ready to sell. So let's go ahead and take it outside and give it a good pressure wash.